The following video will show you how to make reclassification changes for budgeted positions in the Position tool. Using reclassification as the change category is typically used to budget for promotions or demotions that resulted from the change in employee type. For example, a move from a staff position to an admin position, or when the employee is changing from a 12th-month faculty to a 9th-month faculty, or vice versa. A promotion for which an employee does not switch between pay plans should be categorized as a rate change. On the main menu, click on the FIU budget process. Then go to the FIU budget position budget and type in the activity number you are budgeting positions for. Click search and the pre-populated information will appear. Determine if this reclassification will occur prior to the beginning of the new fiscal year in July. If the reclassification will occur prior to July, then you will need to follow the steps to remove a position, followed by the steps to create a new position to establish the new reclassification. Otherwise, continue with these steps. Here are the steps. Find the row of the existing employee or position and click on the plus button to add a new row. Populate the field as follows. Select Reclassification in the Change Category field. Select the new employee type. Enter the existing employee's position number in the Position Number field. Enter the existing employee's employee ID in the Employee ID field. If the position is unfilled, leave the Employee ID field blank. Enter the existing employee's name in the last name and first name fields. If the position is unfilled, enter unfilled in the last name field and leave the first name field blank. Enter the position FTE in the FTE field, since a reclassification will result in an incremental FTE for this employee type. Enter the total annual pay rate. Current benefits are calculated based on the employee type. Enter the new title of the employee. Select Unfilled or Filled in the Position Status field as applicable. Enter the starting period that corresponds to the month in which the reclassification will take place. In the existing employee's record, enter the ending period. Use the period that corresponds to the one less than the starting period of the new row. If the remaining positions are to remain budgeted as is, and for the full year, proceed to save and calculate totals to see the new total salaries and benefit amounts. And this is how you reclassify an existing position. Just as a reminder, here are some tips for using the Position tool. At any time, the information can be downloaded to Excel. This might be preferred by some users just in case you are logged off the system and wish to review the information on the Position tool. There are tabs on the top of the data which are helpful. For instance, the Chart Field Information tab will pre-populate the account and the budgeted weeks according to the employee type selected on the Position Information tab. and there's a link for employee distribution that shows the distribution of the budgeted positions. And also the updated by info tab will show by Panther ID who last updated the information and the modified time span. If you run the R2 report, you will be able to see the real-time position data you have updated in the position tool and the corresponding budget by position.